Hello and welcome to this short introductory video on advanced project management principles and practices. This is a 5-day workshop which I'm going to be running, and I'm Dr. Peter Tobin, a certified and practicing project manager who over the last 20 years has built up quite a portfolio of experience in delivering similar workshops, both as an academic and as a consultant in a public environment as well as in-house for corporate clients. I'd like to talk to you about the benefits of attending the workshop and a little bit of what you could expect while you're with us. First of all, you'll build on your understanding of basic concepts. This is an advanced workshop, so we'll assume that you have some fundamental understanding, but revisit that to make sure that we have some reinforcement to those who are a little less familiar with the principles involved in effective project management, using the project management body of knowledge, the PMBOK, which is an established standard across the industry and project management sector, to help us to do that. We'll have a look at a number of advanced principles and techniques to be able to deliver effectively our projects, whether it's to do with managing timescale, cost or budgets, and the quality involved in delivering the scope of the project. We'll have a look at how to deploy a project management scheduling tool, in particular an open source tool which will be used throughout the 5 days of the workshop, which will give delegates an opportunity to get some real practical hands-on skill in building up their project plan, the schedule, looking at allocation of responsibilities, tracking progress on their project, and getting an integrated view of the timeline for the project and the achievability thereof. We'll have a look at the role of the Project Management Office and how that can help organizations become more effective, not just individual project delivery, but in delivering a portfolio of projects across the organization. How the Project Management Office concept can assist organizations in becoming more effective. We'll have a look at the difference between projects and programs and portfolios, the 3 different levels at which we can operate as an organization, and why those are effective in helping us better manage our projects overall. We'll also have a look at project management maturity. How do I assess whether or not my organization is in good shape, and what should I be doing to think about developing capabilities across the organization over time? That gives us some idea of the benefits of attending. Who should be coming to the workshop? Well, there are a variety of you who are watching this video who are wondering whether or not you want to come yourself or bring your colleagues. Certainly this is appropriate for somebody who's full-time in the project management field, but there'll be others of you who are project sponsors, perhaps those who are helping to define the requirements for your projects, who want to get a better idea of how effectively the project can be delivered. There'll be those of you who are emerging as future project managers, perhaps in a little less experienced role currently, who are looking to get some formal development and to prepare yourself for taking on a larger area of responsibilities. This program is going to be effective for all of those, and perhaps others from the business area who are thinking about how to develop their requirements and to put those into a shape where the project team are going to be able to deal with those requirements effectively. Over the 5 days of the workshop, we're going to have a pretty interactive time where there will be a number of practical exercises using tools that will be delivered at the workshop. You'll have an opportunity to work on a team project which will be very practical in nature and will be delivered at the end of the workshop to demonstrate the development of practical skills, not just knowledge acquisition. I've been involved in adult education for over 20 years and have experience in many countries across the Southern Africa Development Community region in delivering similar workshops, and I'm certainly looking forward to meeting you, and I hope this introductory video gives you an idea of what's involved. You will have seen running across the bottom of the picture, as I've been talking, the details of where the workshop's happening, when it's happening, and how to contact the organisers for further information or for registration. So I hope we've addressed any queries that you might have during the short introductory video. Really look forward to seeing you. Thanks for watching.